So hello everyone, hope you are doing well, hope you are all right. New video, today's topic, it will be breaking down a trade I saw and I wanted to show it too because we can really well combine it with SMC price action, with footprints, and also with liquidity. So these are like three really nice how to say it, tools or three situations, three methods. When they are combined, they can be and they are powerful. So basically now what I'm looking for, I try to trade during the London and New York session. So I have some trading hours, like some work business hours. So I try to trade only these specific times. I use, if you want to, I use this tool. If I turn it on, it's an indicator, yes, it's an indicator, but it's only a time indicator, so just that it prints automatically. I hope all you know what is a kill zone. That is the most traded times of these during the day. So you have the London Open and New York Open. I'm here plus one GMT in this time zone, so you can adjust it. I hope you know everything. So let's get into it. We are on EURUSD. You can see that we are bearish. We are making break of structure and we make like bearish moves. So what we are looking on now, we have a nice order block right here. I think you can see it. I will now just drag it like this. Oh, sorry, draw it. Supply zone. And also what I wanted to show you, what is really nice and I think important, you can see, just look at these two candles. We have, you know, the impulse that we have this candle before the expansion or the big impulse. So this is our supply zone normally, but you can, I hope you can see, I will just extend it, that if I draw it this way, so this candle even like takes the liquidity and then it goes up. This is a higher probability. I saw a video about it, and this is like better candle. This is like better confirmation. This is like stronger and probable supply zone. So if you are trading based on this, try to look at it at the market. It's not like 100% sure because the market is always right. But it's like some kind of fun fact or something like this. So I wanted to show it to and to explain to. So we pretend that this is our supply zone. Okay, we are on the 1 hour time frame. I want to go to the 15-minute because I trade basically like mostly the 15-minute time frame and the higher bias or the higher time frames I am looking on. So these are 1 hour, 4 hour and 1 day, but mostly 15-minute and executing on 1 minute. So what can we see now? We have three supply zones here. One you can see here. I will draw it. One here, one here, one here. And now this is the scenario. What is the right zone? I will show you what I saw when I was backtesting or when I was watching the trade on footprints. I was calling with my follower and we were describing we were looking at on footprints and I saw this and this was really like also funny to me. So what we are looking for, we see that we have internal liquidity. Okay, this is like these trend lines. We are in some small uptrend. We can connect the Brokey trend lines. This is the liquidity. Okay, this, when we pull our magic tool, the fixed range volume profile from the up, we use it as a Fibonacci. It shows this zone. Okay, okay, this zone I would trade from it, but we have also this zone. I just played with it, for example, from here, because this is just some small movement, but it always just prints this. And even if you drag it somewhere like here or here, I don't know. Yes, it always prints this, and it's logical. You have more movement. You have down, up, and then down. So it's logical. It's the kind of pattern, drop, base, drop. Okay, it's logical. But look at this. We are on footprints, and you can really see it. This is the zone. This is the zone. This is the nice zone. I showed you the candle, and we have this nice zone and this one. I hope you can all see these zones. And what is like, come on, what can you see? I will just give you 2-3 seconds that you can spot. Look at these zones, this zone, this zone. What can you see that it's like similar or something like, I don't know how to say it. I will tell it to you. When I saw it, just look at the POC. Where is the most money traded? Where is the most lots traded in the candles? You can see it that quite in this area, okay, above like 50% of these candles, okay. But here you have POC, most money traded here, most money traded here in 2 candles, most money traded here. Sellers are coming in, and also trapped buyers are trapped. Their stop losses were hit, and also 3 POCs in one exact precise price level, 1.08694 on footprints. This is like the zone you want to see. I don't know if it works all the time. We will examine it, and I will examine it, and I want to big test it if it's really right. But when you drag later, when you drag and draw draw the supply zone, so you have it like this. This is finally your inducement, because it makes a reaction from it. It's also liquidity, and we have here some type of consolidation. This is also liquidity. You don't want to trade like now from this zone, so only this and this zone. On these 2 zones, we have imbalance. This is okay. This is nice confluence. I want to see it, definitely. We have a big imbalance here, all right. But we chose here this supply zone, so we are just waiting, and there will be the market open, the London session, or the killer zones are going to be like open, or how to say it. So short position, we are preparing for it. Most stop losses, most traders, most brokies would go this way. For example, enter from 50%, enter from here, stop loss here or here. We don't want to do that. We don't want losses. We are professionals. We want, like, yeah, losses. We are learning from them, but okay, but now, not today. we are going to win. So we put our enter at most losses, where are most stop losses, and we go here to the sell side liquidity. For we want to be more safe, we could go even here, but I would go rather here. Maybe we can go on the 5 minute. Yeah, here. Why? Because this is a supply, this is a, sorry, demand zone. I will draw it. And here you have an imbalance, which will be filled, the inefficiency. So we don't want to risk a lot. We can, no problem. But if you want to be like safe, no problem, easy pass on your challenge, just like this, 15.64, and look at the time. London sweep. And boom, easy business. That's all. That's all. So I wanted to show you this trade, what I'm working on, what I want to show you and provide you. I just want to more backtest it and just know more, just get more datas. But basically I want to keep these things really simple. So it will be all for today's video. Just like the recap, be in the go with the trend, search for a high probability supply or demand zone, search for liquidity and imbalances. If so, you can help, if you have strategy, help with the footprints and execute without emotions. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you at next trade and next setup. Thank you and bye bye.